Yeah. Yeah. That was interesting.
Hey, it's Brett here, MTBMOR. And today I have a story for you. This video was meant to be focused on Waterfall Trail in Santiago Oaks with a quick down on Yucca, and maybe, just maybe, going up to Toddfather and getting redemption on the big drop.
Woo! Ah! Ah!
Well, as it turned out, it didn't go that way. So I'm gonna share the story with you guys. Everything started well, went up chutes, I felt so good. I went down Chutes Ridgline. I wanted to do it before I was tired. Went up to the flag, just like I planned, quick drop off of it. Then I went over to check out Toddfather, and this is what happened.
Ah.
Great shifting, huh? Well, it happened. So, after that,
Here we go, jump line to Toddfather. Thank you, trail builders. This is epic riding. Woohoo! Now we're getting into Toddfather. Ton of work. Thank you guys, ladies and gentlemen, for this. Still a little soft. Great drop right here. Woo! Up here, looks like there's some holes, so be careful. Right there's a palm hole. Big drop. Aim right a little bit. Perfect landing right there. So good. Whew. Now I got to pedal out.
alright, after Toddfather, I go, oh, I'll just take Alabama Hills over to Yucca. No biggie. It looked simple. Trail Forks was good. Well, to add insult to injury, I didn't even GoPro Alabama Hills. I don't plan on ever doing it. It's not an easy way to go from one side of Santiago Oaks to the other. And the second I got to the bottom, I realized I'd made that mistake before. So don't go on Alabama Hills unless you really want a pedal up. It's a cool trail, but it's not just straight across. Well, I made it to Yucca. It was closed. So then I went all the way back up to the flag, this time the smart way. And, you know, as Santiago Oaks goes, this is what happened.
No. Are you guys all okay? Yeah. Okay, that's all. I'm good.
We had a small crash.
Okay, but everyone's good?
Yeah, everything's good.
Awesome.
Thank you for asking.
So after that, I ended up taking Barham Ridge over to Waterfall. And I had noticed on the way up that there was a killer little side trail, so I tried to follow it. And here's what happened.
All right, here we go. Barham Ridge. We're looking for the single track when it comes up. Most people miss it. These rocks are kind of fun just to roll over. Woo. All right, is that starting? Oh, just a rock drop. Another jump. Dude, Barham Ridge is just not for cruising down. There's stuff here. This looks like it started the single track up. Here it is. Whee! Whee! Oh, they went left. Not easy to follow. Woo! Yeah, a little drop. Oh, missed the turn again. You gotta go slower when you're learning the trail.
Drum roll. Here we go. Time for Waterfall. It's been, you know, a fun ride, but a lot of weird stuff has happened. I did get redemption on the drop at Toddfather, so that was cool. But no yucca. So I'm itching, and I look and it's like mountain goat. I think this is the right way. So here's what happened.
All right, we're gonna go down Mountain Goat today. Yucca was closed. It's a comedy of errors, so we'll see if this is right. There's a scenic outlook. Couldn't quite figure it out. So let's hope this is Waterfall. So far, could be. Never been down here before, so can't go too crazy. Oh, I think this is a safe line, darn it. Yeah, I'll have to go the other way next time. All right. Here we go, little jump. Oh my gosh, I want to come back and do this. So far, Mountain Goat has been nice. A little hard to find the trail. Oh, and this was not the way to go. Oh well, we made it. Okay. Nice and slow. Learning the trail. Don't go straight again like that. Yeah. Oh, look at this little gap. Boop. Oh! Did that turn us on? I don't know. Can't tell, but this is pretty fun. I need a local to show me. Oh, this rock might be a good roll or a good drop. Oh, it would have been sick. All right, this looks like a turn here. Blind leading the blind on video. Yeah. Yeah, that was a sick section. Oh, but I went too far. Oh, and I stopped. Can't stop. Oh, darn it. Yeah, I blew it. I blew it. Need more of a roll than I got. Darn it. Oh well. I'm not showing you the best lines, but I'm showing you what can happen if you follow the worst lines. Not great lines, but this trail's rad. Oh, woohoo! Santiago Creek, made it. Waterfall, sick trail.
Well, I hope you liked this video. It felt like a comedy of errors, but it was fun. Santiago Oaks is a great place to ride. I highly recommend it, but definitely be prepared because stuff happens. Crashes, wrong turns, trails that are way harder than you expect, having to go longer than you expect, but it's all good. So hit like, hit subscribe, mountain bike more. Ride more, subscribe, laugh more.
Like, crash more, comment.
Crash more, comment.